Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Openview decoder remote is not responding when you press buttons, it can make watching TV frustrating because even simple tasks like changing channels or opening settings suddenly become difficult. You might press the power button again and again, but the decoder does not react at all. In some situations, only a few buttons stop working, while in others, the entire remote becomes unresponsive. This problem can happen because of weak batteries, block signal, pairing issues, or dirt affecting the remote buttons. Since the OpenView decoder remote sends commands directly to the decoder, even a small interruption can stop communication. The good part is that many remote problems are easy to fix at home without replacing the remote. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an OpenView decoder remote not working or responding. Step 1. Replace the batteries in the OpenView decoder remote and make sure the OpenView decoder remote has fresh power. Step 2. Point the OpenView decoder remote directly toward the OpenView decoder without objects blocking the signal. Step 3. Wipe the sensor area of the OpenView decoder remote and clean the front of the OpenView decoder. Step 4. Restart the OpenView decoder by unplugging the OpenView decoder for a short moment. Step 5. Press different buttons on the OpenView decoder remote to check if the OpenView decoder responds. Step 6. Test the OpenView decoder remote again and confirm the OpenView decoder works normally.